Good morning, guys. Another 3D printed spider. Now this one I got off Thingiverse. It does have separate eyes to be printed, and it's one of those print in place where it's got articulated legs. But I need to obviously get it off the bed and work on them. I spotted it when I was looking for something else, and I thought I'd print it off because it looked like fun. Gizo the Spider, or Gizo by Mergen McFergan. That's the Thingiverse number 5044727. I downloaded it for a different project, which there'll be a separate video on, putting LED eyes on a spider. Unfortunately, I wanted to import this file directly into Tinkercad and modify it so I could put the LED eyes on it, but the file was too big. Tinkercad wouldn't accept it. So I printed it anyway, just so we can have a look at it. I've already released it from the bed. It's one of those print in place, so the legs are all printed at the same time as the body, and then they're already hinged for you. And then there's a separate file to print the eyes. And I was going to do that, and then I remembered I got a box full of googly eyes. So I should be able to find in here suitable eyes. If I can find any small enough. Well, if I stuck them over the outside, they'd do. Blue ones. Yeah, I might have to, I don't know, they might fit. And even smaller ones. Yeah, I think with a bit of manoeuvring, I'll put that one upside down. Yep. Some people like googly eyes, some people don't. Yeah, I might have to glue them. Yeah. Okay, I'll glue them in place and then we'll have another look. Well, now that I've glued them in place, I'm not too sure. I think the plain black and white ones might have been better. I don't know. That's what we've got now anyway, because I've glued them in place. Come on, mix up, that's better. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.